Ships are sailing. Okay, so that was a slow run through the tune. The thing I'd like to get across in teaching this tune is to emphasize the offbeat pulse in the tune. Take the first little phrase here, the B-E-E. The second E occurs on the offbeat, on the upbeat if you like. So we want to give it a little bit of extra emphasis, and we can do that with bellows pressure. Make it louder than the previous note, and also by doing a grace note. Okay. Now, that is probably not the most common way of playing this tune, the start of this tune, that you'll come across. You'll most likely find people playing the first few notes like this, which is fine. I tend not to do it that way because I'm being influenced by the playing of Tony McMahon, and you should definitely look for his playing of this tune on YouTube. And I wondered why he avoids that C sharp, and the answer might be that in fact that's the only C sharp in the tune, so maybe it's a bit of an extraneous note, and when you get used to playing the inversion the old way, it doesn't seem too satisfactory. So, whatever we do, we want to get our third finger on that A, playing that F sharp E D triplet with the outer row F sharp. Other things you could do would be simply play F sharp with no gracing. That might be useful for getting an offbeat bass on the D chord there, which you couldn't do if you're using the outer row F sharp. You could also play it one row style, gracing the note of G. Sorry, gracing the note of E with a G. Next, you play a single note. Make sure you swell towards the end. There's actually three notes joined together. Or you could play the way I do. Or you could grace it. Now notice that's not a roll. It's just G, F sharp, G, graced with the B. Even give a bit of extra offbeat emphasis on that final E. Go on to the second part. You'll be playing figures based around G and F sharp, and it's handy to have your second finger on both for most of the time. important thing, offbeat emphasis. Yapatam or yatatam. If you want to play rolls, no problem. That's more da-yum. On the F sharp it won't sound so great. The reason for that is that if you play it on the G, your lower grace is F sharp, which is in key. If you play it on the F sharp, you've got an F natural there, which is a bit cheesy sounding, to my ear anyway. So, and there's lots of variations obviously you can play, especially that final part. I played it once or twice like this. You could even play or you could play sorry about the inelegant ending. There's a few ideas for ships are sailing.